Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will be learning something very interesting, that is how to fetch live cryptocurrency rates using Excel. Before starting with the tutorial, I would like to give you a disclaimer that this tutorial is meant only for educational purpose only. And now we'll begin with a demo. So this is my Excel workbook, and column A I have some cryptocurrency. You could see this is the BTC and USD. BTC is the Bitcoin crypto and USD is the US dollars. So if I want to see the price, like I have already fetched the price, which I'll show you in few minutes how to do it. But if I just click on this refresh all, you could see it is refreshing and it is giving me the latest rates. So how we can achieve this using Excel is what I will be explaining you in this tutorial. Okay, to understand how to fetch these values, we'll go to a new sheet. You could see over here, this is a blank. I have not fetched the values, and now you have to follow steps which I will explain. So in column A, we have the crypto and the currency pair. For example, it is BTC USD. BTC is a crypto and USD is the currency. So which means we would be converting the Bitcoin into a USD. So we get the price of Bitcoin into its USD equivalent in column B. Now, one thing very important to note is we should know the correct symbols. For example, the symbol for Bitcoin is BTC and the currency symbol of US dollars is USD. We will be able to fetch the rates only if the symbols are correct. If the symbols are incorrect, it will not give us the desired results. So this is the convention. I'll explain you once again. On the left hand side, we should have the accurate crypto symbol, then this slash, and on the right hand side we have the correct currency symbol. You could see uh, in the rows 3, 4 and 5, like we have cryptos and currency pairs available. Now comes the interesting part, like how to fetch the price. It is very simple. You have to go to the data tab, and within the data type you have this option called stocks. Now a very important prerequisite, this stock option would be available if we are using MS Office 365. If you are using student home version, then this option would not be available. So in order to fetch these crypto prices, MS Office 365 is mandatory. And once you have it, it is very simple. You have to just click on the cell which has the cryptocurrency pair, click on stop. Just wait for a few seconds. You could see this kind of a symbol will come up, and also you have an icon over there which has multiple options. If you click on it, here there are a number of options available. If I want to see the price, I will select the price option and the price will come up in the next cell. If I want other values, for example, I have few more columns, previous close, 52-week high and 52-week low, I can fetch those as well. Once again, I'll have to just click on the cryptocurrency pair, click on this symbol, and this time I will select previous close and I get previous close in the column C. Similarly, to get 52-week high and low, same procedure, click on the cryptocurrency pair, this icon will come up, 52-week high is available, select it. For 52-week low, same steps and you get the 52-week low for the cryptocurrency pair. So this is how we can very easily fetch the live rates. Also, we have a very good option called refresh all over here, which will give us the rate at the instance. For example, if I click refresh all, you could see there is a minor change in the rate. So just by clicking on this refresh all button, it will give you the real-time statistics. If you want to try with other currency pair, we'll have to just perform the same steps. The second pair is BTC CAD, Bitcoin and CAD. So we'll just fetch the price. For that, I'll once again repeat the steps. Select the cell BTC CAD, go to stocks. You'll get this kind of an icon. Click on it, select whatever parameter you need. So it entirely depends on you which parameters do you want to track, and you could have the columns for those parameters, and using the steps which I had shown you, you could have all the data available with you at your fingertips. So it all depends on you which parameters you all are interested in. So you could create columns for those parameters and fetch the values as per your requirement. Once again, I will read this disclaimer that this information is provided as is and not for professional or trading purposes or advice. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like my videos, I would please subscribe to my channel so that you'd be updated with the latest tutorials I would be uploading. Guys, thanks for joining. I'll see you soon.